Ghostwriting is the art of writing for an individual or a company and get paid for your work. It can be novels, poems, articles, and many more. So in this video, I am going to be introducing to you top 5 ghostwriting sites that can earn you this and this on monthly basis. The last two are my favorites because in my community we have co-editors who can help us get contracts easily. So watch till the end for more tips. So the first site is Web Novel. This is their app on my phone. So for you to register, you go to any browser of your choice. I'm making use of Chrome. You type in stone.webnovel.com. So I have signed in with this. So for you to create a book, you click on this create new. It's just quite simple. As you can see, you put up the novel information. This space is for your book cover, the name, abbreviation, writing contest, the type of novel. As you can see, you have novel, you have fanfic, the leading gender, and so on and so forth. All these things, they are like the same in all the platforms that I'm going to show you when creating your books. So for this synopsis is like your description or your blurb in writing. So that's what we are going to put here. So let's see the benefit of this web novel as a writer. Let's see the benefits. You go to this author benefits. This is the web novel author benefits. The next site is that.com. You can sign in. This is the app for web mob reader. So for you to get started, you click on this create. So if you want to join now to be a writer, you click on join now. You are going to be asked to sign in with your your email address. You input your email address, put your pen name. You know what pen name is all about. Then you put a password and you confirm that, and that's that. So for the benefits, go to for authors. You click on writer benefits. For mob reader, this is their benefits for exclusive work. You know what exclusive work is all about? The work that is only on their platform, and this platform gives exclusive contracts. So for your signing bonus for exclusive contract is $100 or $50 based on 50,000 words, and your views has 3,000, and for 100 it is 5,000. So for monthly bonus, 100 and 150, as you can see. So go through it and you get view of all the benefits of the site. So the third site is Pump Ink. Okay, this is for the benefit of Pump Ink app. So you read through it, you see the benefit. The signing bonus, your words is going to be 50,000 words, and 1st to 10th of every month. Then the finishing of this platform, you have the income share, you have the bonuses. So as you can see, all these things, they are not Ponzi scheme or something. You are going to work before you earn. So this is it. So for how to create, you just click on create. You enter with your email. So for this one, you can enter with Google or your email or your Facebook. I will always advise enter with your Google account or your email account for you to be on a safer side. So the next one is Fizo.rg. Okay, so this is the platform. If you want to get started, you click on this, start your writing career now. So when you click on that, you are going to enter your email or use your Google account to get started. The writer's benefits, you go to this place and click on benefits. Okay, so this is the writer's benefits for exclusive contracts and non-exclusive contracts. So this is for signing bonus $100. As of all these things I'm telling you now is as of June 2023. It might change, and for you to get started, do your research. If you want to do it on your own, do your research very well, but all these things are working. So the last and the most important and the most beautiful one is good novel. The same pattern. If you want to log in, you can log in with your Google account. Then for the writer's rewards, this is the writer's reward for good novels. They have the exclusive and non-exclusive contracts also. The signing bonus is $100. The monthly attendance bonus is $150, and the completion, depending on your words, 120 to 150 words, $250 for your completion, then 150 to 200, and so on and so forth. So if you want to learn more about this site and many more sites that you can write novel to and get paid monthly, do not forget to use the link on the description button to contact me on my WhatsApp, so you can get mentorship on how to get started. You are going to pay a token, but that token is lesser on what you are going to benefit at the end of the training on how to write by yourself, or on how to outsource for writers to do the work for you. So if you are interested, do the necessary things. See you in my next video, and see you on the other side of success. Thank you.